Okay, the customer's complaint. It breaks up when going into VTEC. Let's see what happens. Hell, it's missing at idle. It's missing everywhere. Okay. So we're switching coil packs. This coil pack is the one that was here, and this coil pack is the one that was here. I'm gonna see if the issue follows. Bad coil pack. Okay, we have a bad coil pack. The issue followed the coil pack when I swapped cylinders. Let's get one on order. New coil packs. And just like that, it's fixed.